Hey, what's up guys? Hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the device list of OneUi 8 update for the Samsung Galaxy A series. So let's talk about that, which A series devices will be getting the OneUi 8 update. So from the A series we have the Samsung Galaxy A56, A55, A54, A53, A36, A35, A34, A33, A26, A25, A24, A23, A16, A15, A14, A06 are included in the device list. Some other devices from the Galaxy M series and F series are also included in the device list. But keep in mind that this is a tentative device list, the official device list is yet to be released. And if we talk about that, what changes you can expect with the new OneUi 8 update. So first up, you will get to see the Android 16 update, and there will be no as such UI changes with the new OneUi 8 update like there were before with the OneUi 7 update. So you can say that the OneUi 8 update will be the enhanced version of the OneUi 7 update. You can get to see some smoother animations while opening or closing of the apps, and some bugs and issues will be fixed with the new OneUi 8 update. Like we were having a battery drain issue with the OneUi 7 update, hopefully that will be fixed with the new OneUi 8 update. Further, you can see some enhancements in the weather app. The weather app can get some new animations and some UI changes. And let's hope that Samsung will add some more AI features for the Galaxy A series. As for now, there are very limited options of Galaxy AI features available for the Samsung Galaxy A series. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a short video to tell you about the tentative device list that is now available for the Samsung Galaxy A series for the OneUi 8 update and the Android 16 update. But keep in mind that this was a tentative device list, the official device list might differ. And if you're new around the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.